Good morning, students. Today we are going to see some more questions related to your application of percentage. Clear? I hope that you all have completed your previous assignments and make sure that you keep on continuing your assignment, completing it on the daily basis, and just make sure one thing, that in case if you are not seeing your video, your absent is being marking on that one. Clear? Absent for the day is been marking on that one, so make sure that you see your video on the daily basis and complete your assignment on the same day only. And in case if you have a problem, then come up on the portal and discuss your problem. Clear? I'll be there between 4 to 7 on the same day, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. on the same day. So make sure that whatever is your query, you can post your question on the portal and I will solve it, clear, during that period only. Now, we are going to see some more questions related to your application of percentage. For example, if we see question number 6, which is being given in your exercise. The question says that the Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. Clear? Then, if the money he had spent was 40% of the money he had, यानी जितने उसके पास रुपए थे, उस रुपए का उसने 40% स्पेंड कर दिया. So spending his money, %40. Clear? So how much money he has right now? Yeah, saving his money. Total minus spending. We take the total as 100% minus 40%, that will going to be your 60%. So that means that 60% he has it at this point of time. 60% of money he is having at this point of time. Clear? Now, how much money did he have? So what we are going to do, let the total money be X. क्लियर? अब यहां पे आपका स्पेंड दिया है और ये स्पेंडिंग का परसेंटेज है. सो इन दैट केस वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द सेविंग ओवर हियर. क्लियर? वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू फाइंड द सेविंग. क्यों? अगर यहां पे सेविंग की वैल्यू होती, देन वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द सेविंग परसेंटेज. But now you have the value of your spending and you have the percentage of spending over there. So with that, the percentage will going to be 40% of X. That means जितना उसके बाद total money था, उसका 40%, that will be equals to 560. I hope this is clear. So that will going to be 40 upon 100 into X equals to 560. So that will going to be your 1400 rupees. Clear with this? I hope this question is clear. It says that Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. The spending his money is 40%. So that means that over here you have the value of spending is given and the percentage of spending is being given to you. So it means that both are similar. Clear? So we will not going to find out the value, the percentage for the saving part. So in that case, what we are going to do? We will be taking the total money to be X. Clear? Once we have taken the total money to be X, then it will going to be your, this is the percentage of the spending and this is the money that he had spent. So in that case, both will going to be equal. Clear? So in that case, your 40% of the total money what he was having equals to 560 what he had spent it on. So in that case, when you are going to solve it, you will be getting 1400. So 1400 is the total amount that he was having before spending his money in the market. Clear? So that means that when he stepped out from his house, he was having 1400. Out of that 1400, he has spent 560 rupees. Clear? I hope this question is clear with you all. Okay. Clear with this? Now with question number 9. Basically, I am taking only those questions which I think that they are important and in which you can fuss it around. So in that case, I am taking those questions which will going to help you in doing your exercise. Okay. It says that Sonia had rupees 540. If she has 10% less than Uma, how much money does Uma have? So we have the value for Sonia. We have the percentage for Sonia. We need to find the value of Uma. Now to find out the value of Uma, what you are going to do? You are going to take let the money Uma had equals to rupees X. Clear? This is the money that Uma had, rupees X. Now what you will going to do? She has 10% less than Uma. यानी उसके पास 10% कम है उमा से. So in that case, X minus 10% of X. Clear? First of all, you are going to find the 10% of Uma. Clear? Less कह रहा है, that is why you had used the subtraction sign, and whatever the percentage value will going to be, that will going to be subtracted from the Uma's salary या Uma's income. It will be equal to 540. Clear with this? It will be equal to your 540. Then X minus 10 upon 100 into X equals to 540. 0 and 0 would be cancelled. X minus X by 10 equals to 540. You are going to take your LCM over here. Then 10x minus x equals to 540. 9x upon 10 equals to 540. 9 6 are 54. So the value of x will going to be rupees 600. Clear? So it means that Uma was having how much money? 600. I hope this question is clear to you all. Just understand one more time. It says that Sonia had rupees 540. यानी कि सोनिया के पास आपके rupees 540 थे. If she has 10% less than Uma, अब यानी कि उसके पास 10% कम है उमा से, तो इसका मतलब उमा के पास कोई ना कोई वैल्यू होगी. उस वैल्यू का we will going to find out the 10%. Clear? That will going to be subtracted from the Uma's value, and it will be equal to Sonia value. I hope this is clear. From here, this is the money of Uma X. X का 10%, we will be getting the value कि आपका X का मान लिया अगर उसके पास 100 रुपए हैं, उमा के पास 100 रुपए एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे, तो अगर उसके पास 100 रुपए है, 100 का 10% कितना होगा? 10. क्लियर? अब सोनिया के पास कितना होना चाहिए? 10% कम कह रहा है, so that means 100 minus 10 would be your 90. So in that case, your answer will going to be 90 for Sonia. I hope this is clear. Okay. So 10% of X minus your total money of Uma, it will be equals to your total cost of Sonia, which was having 540. You will going to solve it. Percentage, you will going to convert your percent into denominator, that will going to be 100. So 10 upon 100 into X, you will be getting X by 10. Clear? Then X minus X by 10 would be equals to your 540. Clear? So you will going to take the LCM of 10 over here. You will be getting 9x upon 10 equals to 540. Your answer will going to be a 600. Clear with this? Just note down this question. It will be helpful for you. Done? Okay. Now with your last question, question number 10, which is being given in your book. It says that Hanif scored 48 runs. Clear? So runs scored by Hanif. Rupees 40. Clear? Sorry, 48. Rupees 48. If he scored 20% more than Roy, अब यानी कि वो 20% ज्यादा रन स्कोर कर रहा है रॉय से. So in that case, we don't know the scoring of Roy. So in that case, we are going to assume let the runs scored by Roy bx. Clear? अब वो कह रहा है if he scored 20% more than Roy. So in that case, what you will going to do? First of all, you will going to find the 20%. यानी कि रॉय का 20% कितना होगा? First of all, we are going to calculate that one. अब वो कह रहा मोर है. So for more, you will going to use plus sign. किससे मोर है? रॉय की स्कोरिंग से. That will be equals to the run scored by Hanif. Clear? So in that case, you will be getting x by 5 plus x equals to 48. You are going to take the LCM. You will be getting 6x upon 5 equals to 48. 6, 8, x equals to 40. So that means the run scored by Roy is 40. Because in question it is already been saying that if he scored 20% more than Roy, he means Hanif. That means Hanif is scoring 20% more than Roy. Clear? So in that case, what you are going to do? First of all, you are going to take the value of Roy bx. Clear? So once you have taken the value of Roy bx, then in that case, अब जो Roy का है score, उसका 20% more कह रहा है. That means that you are going to use your plus sign. और वो more किस में होगा? आपका Roy के में. Clear? So in that case, whatever will be your 20% that you are going to add it in the value of Roy, and it will be equals to the scoring of Hanif. Solve it, you will be getting the run scored by Roy. I hope that these 3 questions will help you to do the assignment. Clear? Just go through the assignment, and in case if you have any problem, come up on the portal between 4 to 7. Clear? Thank you.